Children, hi. How are you all? Hope all are doing so good, well. Yes, children. Just look around you. Okay, when you go to school, when you go outside, out from your home, if you look around, what all things you can see in your surroundings? Tell me. Yes, you can see many things. You can see people moving. You can see some animals like dog, cat and all. Then you can see vehicles moving on the road. Then yes, you can see different plants, trees in your surroundings. Yes or no? Yes. So what kind of trees and plants you see around you? Is there any difference in them, or all trees look alike? All trees are same, or all plants are same? No. We can see different plants, many kinds or many types of plants and trees. Trees itself you can see, some are small, some are big, isn't it? Yes. So we can say some plants are small and some plants are big, isn't it? Yes. So can you give me, or can you tell me the name of these plants or trees that you know? Tell me. Yes. Which tree is your favorite? Or name some trees. Yes. Mango tree, where we get mango, isn't it? Mango tree. Then next, yes, neem tree is there. Yes, neem tree. Then there are many kind of trees like this. Pine tree. Yes. Many kind of trees we can see. Different types of trees we can see around us. Then what are trees we can see? Some small plants also, isn't it? If there is space in our house, if there is a garden, what kind of plants would you like to plant there? Plants that gives beautiful flowers. Yes, rose plant, isn't it? Yes, rose is a plant which gives beautiful flowers, different colors of flowers, white, yellow, red, isn't it? Yes, rose plant. It's a small plant, it is. Then wherever you go, you can see in front of some houses this plant you can see. Hibiscus we say. Hibiscus. Shoe flower, red color flowers. Middle there is a small thin thing, isn't it? Red color flower. It comes in other colors also. Shoe flower or hibiscus we say. In many of the houses, in front of houses, people plant tulsi, isn't it? Tulsi also. Tulsi plant. Then grass is a plant, isn't it? Grass also is a plant, a small plant we can say. Yes. Then so we can see many types of plants and trees around us. Different types of trees and plants, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. So this mango tree, neem tree and all, they are trees. Why they are called trees, you know? Because they are big plants or tall plants are called trees we say. Big plants are called trees. Trees. They are big. That's why they are called trees. Tall plants are trees. They live for many years. And trees we can see branches, leaves, and stem of the tree is so hard we say. Thick it is. Trunk. It is called by the name trunk. Trunk is the stem of the tree. Hard wood. That is trunk we say. Okay. So big plants. They are tall plants. Because they are tall, they are known as what? Yes, they are known as trees. Then what about rose, hibiscus and all? Rose plant is small only, right? Small and bushy we say. So small bushy plants, they grow very thickly, isn't it? Yes. Small bushy plants are called shrubs. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. They are small bushy plants. We can say an example of jasmine also. Jasmine, you know jasmine, which gives sweet smell, flower, white flower, sweet smell it has, isn't it? Jasmine, it also grows thickly, so it's a bushy plant, small bushy plant. So jasmine, hibiscus, rose, they are all shrubs we say, they are small bushy plants we say. Then tulsi, grass and all. Grass, very small plant there, very small plant with soft stem, very small plant with soft stem. So they are called by the name herbs. Herbs, very small plant with soft stem, green soft stem. That so grass, mint plant, you know, mint. They are all herbs we say. So these plants and these are all different varieties or different kinds we say, trees, shrubs, herbs. So today we are going to learn about the world of plants. The world of plants. The world of plants. Lesson 21. The world of plants. In world of plants, there are number of varieties of plants are there, like herbs, shrubs, trees, etc., etc. So today we will learn about these different types of plants that we see around us. Okay, children? Lesson 21. The world of plants. Let's warm up. Mark the odd one in the pictures below. So here, children, few images or pictures are given. Can you identify these pictures? Yes, of course, because already named, they have written under each picture. First one is apple tree. Yes. Second is banana plant. Then where we get banana. Then coconut tree. Third image is of coconut tree. And the fourth one is cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S. Cactus is a plant that grows in desert. Cactus is a plant that grows in desert. So you have to mark the odd one in each group. Odd one. Odd, not in each group. In this group you have to mark the odd one. So there are four pictures given. One is of apple tree, then banana plant, coconut tree, then cactus which grows in desert. Which one is odd here? Which one is odd? Which does not belong to this group? One picture does not belong to this group, this category or this group. Can you say which one? Apple tree is a tree where we get apple. Banana plant is there. Then coconut is a tree, we get coconut. But cactus, yes. Very rarely not. We cannot see this cactus plant anywhere here. It grows in desert actually. It's a desert plant we say. It does not need water to grow. It's cactus it is. So the image which does not belongs to this group or the odd one is cactus. So you have to mark there. Just give a tick to the square box. There is a square box given under the picture and the name of the picture. There is small square box. There you can give a tick. This is the odd one in the given pictures. Remaining all are plants and trees we say. But cactus is very different from these trees. Okay, so it is the odd one which does not belong to these three: apple, banana, coconut. They all belongs to the different types of plants and trees, but cactus does not belongs to this group. So cactus is the odd one in the picture. So just give a tick mark in the square box. Okay children? Yes. Okay, now let's read. We have different types of plants around us. We can see different varieties of plants around us. Different types of plants around us. Some of these plants are tall. See, some are very big, tall. They are called trees. Yes, they are called trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. They are big plants or they are tall plants. Example, neem, peepal and banyan are trees. Neem tree, peepal tree, banyan tree, pine tree. Many trees are there. These are the examples of trees. You can see the image of banyan tree there. Banyan tree here. See the image of banyan tree. A thick, big, tall tree. Full, thickly grown it is. Full of branches. Green leaves. Spread, wide spread it is. Isn't it? Yes. Banyan tree it is. Neem tree, you know. Neem tree. Then peepal tree. Then pine tree. Coconut tree. These are all examples of trees. Trees are big or tall plants. Then shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, they are smaller than trees. Shrubs are not tall as trees, they are smaller than trees. These bushy small plants are called shrubs. So shrubs are bushy small plants, we say bushy, they are bushy small plants. Bushy small plants are called shrubs. Bushy small plants, bushy, thickly grown, isn't it? Yes. Rose, hibiscus and mehendi are shrubs. Examples of shrubs are rose plant. See the image of rose plant. Then hibiscus, you can see the image. Mehendi, you can see the image. These are the small bushy plants, so these are called shrubs. Rose plant, hibiscus, mehendi, jasmine. These all are shrubs. Okay children? Yes. So trees are tall plants. Tall plants are called trees and small bushy plants are called shrubs. Okay children? Yes. Now next one. Herbs are very short plants. There are very short plants again. Smaller, very small, very short. They are called herbs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. They live only for 3 to 4 months. Yes. Trees lives for many years. Shrubs also lives for few years. But herbs only for few months. Herbs live only for few months. Example, mint, grass. Mint and grass are herbs. Tulsi is also a herb. Mint, grass, they are all examples of herbs. Herbs are short, very short plants. Very short plants are herbs. Very short plants are herbs. They are very short plants. Okay? Yes, so we can see different varieties or kinds of types of plants around us. And the first one is trees. Tall plants are called trees or big plants are called trees. Examples, mango tree, apple tree, coconut tree, neem tree, pine tree. These are all examples of trees. Then there are some plants not as tall as trees, but they are small plants or bushy small plants, not tall as trees. They are smaller than trees. Small bushy plants, we say they are shrubs. Examples: rose plant, hibiscus, jasmine, mehendi. These are all examples of shrubs. Then we learned about herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs, very small plants. They are very small plants. Herbs, tulsi, mint, grass. You have seen, no, these plants. Grass is very small. Mint plant, then tulsi plant are all small plants. They are herbs. Okay? There are some plants that are weak, we say. Weak means not strong. Some weak plants are there which are not strong. They need support. Let's see what are they. Some plants are not strong. They need support to stand straight. Yes, if someone needs support of us, means they are weak, isn't it? Yes, so there are plants like that that cannot stand straight, but with support they stand straight. They need some stick to stand straight, and they need some support to stand straight. So these plants are called climbers. So climbers, the plants that need support to climb, they are climbers. Example: grapevine, money plant and pea plant are climbers. So they always need support of other plant, or they need a support of a stick or a wall. They need a support of a wall to climb, to grow. So they are climbers. Grapevine. See the image of grapevine. Grapevine image you can see, isn't it? They have given full support there to grow up. They give support of some rope or some stick. Some other plant support also they give so that they can grow straight. Money plant. Money plant. You know money plant? People keep this plant in front of their house or inside the house, and in a pot they grow, and they give some stick or some rope, or beside the wall they keep so that they grow along the wall. They get support to stand straight. It is money plant. So money plant, pea plant. Pea plant. You can see the images here. Grapevine, money plant. With support, they need support to stand straight. Pea plant. These all plants are not strong. They need support to stand straight. So they are climbers. Climbers need support to stand straight. They always need support to stand straight. They are climbers. Example: money plant. Money plant is an example. Then grapevine. Grapevine. These are all examples of climbers. Then pea plant. These are climbers, we say. Climbers. Okay. Now there are other plants that grows along the ground, or we say creep along the ground. Grow along the ground or creep along the ground. Some plants grow along the ground and never stand straight. If we give support also, they never stand straight. They cannot stand straight. They grow along the ground only. So they are known as creepers. 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 They grow along the ground. We say grow along the ground. They grow along the ground and they are creepers. And these plants usually have big fruits. Big fruits. Can you name a big fruit? Watermelon is big fruit, right? It's a big fruit. Yes, so watermelon is a creeper. Watermelon, it grows along the ground. Watermelon, pumpkin, they grow along these plants grow along the ground. They never stand straight. So they are creepers. Then pumpkin, gourd, and watermelon is several. Gourd, Gourd. They are vegetables. Snake gourd, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, they are vegetables. Gourd, snake gourd. Looks like snake. Big one. Shape of that vegetable is like that. Then bitter gourd, tastes bitter. Bottle gourd, these vegetables. So they are all creepers. They grow along the ground. So these are the different types of plants or kinds of plants that we see around us. Yes, so